Hi everybody, in this video we're going to look at a floor plan design and we're going to model from that floor plan. So this is a good way of starting a room if your room happens to have different types of walls that go in or out and it's not just a box. So let's take a look at that image. I'm going to go to view. First I have to go to the top view. I have a top view floor plan of a room I want to design. I'm moving to the top view and I'm going to go to view, image plane, import to image, and I'm going to find my room plan and open. So it looks something like this. It's in my perspective view as well. I'm going to stay in the top view though, and you know what, I'm also going to make it a little bit larger. Okay. Alright, so now in my top view, by the way, I think you can lock lock something if you want. I have a feeling it's... No, maybe not. Okay. Is that it? Let's go live lock. Never mind. So how do we start? I'm going to get a plane, and I'm going to... I can kind of see that this starts here, and I'm going to drag a plane as large as it needs to be, so it fits all four sides, just like that. Okay. And I'll just move this up in the air so you can see it. There it is. Okay. And I'm going to press 4, which is wireframe. Now I know it's a little bit difficult to see, but I do see that it is outlined. And I'm just going to make it slightly larger. I think it just needs to be a little bit wider. There we go. Okay. So what I'm going to do is use my insert edge loop tool to be able to cut where, or add loops where my walls are. So if I come over to my mesh tools, I'm going to go to one called Insert Edge Loop. And if I hold down on one of these lines here on the edge, you can see I can snap a line that goes all the way across. And let's see if we can see that in this view as well. You can kind of see that. Okay. And next, you know, you'll be more precise if you work in the top view. I'm going to add a loop that goes down this way and another loop that goes down this way. I need one that snaps here and here for this. Okay, we do need one that will snap this direction. And once I'm finished, I think you'll see the finished result and you'll know what I'm doing. Okay. And we need one here to cap that off. Just make sure all of these look right. Okay, we're not missing any. Okay, so now let's come back to here, and I'm going to press 5, and you can kind of see we got a little bit of a mess here of edge loops, but I'm going to go to face mode, and I'm going to be able to let's just move this up in the air here first. Maybe just want you to be able to see. Okay, so now back to face mode. I can delete the faces that I don't need. Okay, don't need these. Oh, I do need that one. I don't need this and this. We don't need these middle ones. We don't need that. Okay. Alright, so what I'm left with is this. And this, if I select the whole thing, can be extruded all at once, blue arrow up, and there you can see how in object mode, I'll bring it back down, I am building off of a floor plan. And this might be really helpful for a room, as I said, that might have some different types of walls that isn't just a box. And this will allow you to make maybe a more interesting room and help to get you started. So anyway, you should Well, good luck and give it a try.